How to delete WhatsApp account. So here is a quick and easy step-to-step guide to delete your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Again, once inside the WhatsApp app, all you have to do is tap on the settings option available at the bottom right corner of your screen in the iOS. In Android, you'll get to see three dot icon available at the top right, then tap on the settings. Now inside settings, scroll down and tap on the account option available there. Inside account, tap on the delete my account at the bottom. Then all you have to do is input your phone number in full international format. Then tap on the delete my account again to confirm. So that is it. This will delete your account permanently. After deleting your account, you can uninstall WhatsApp from device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.